Well, welcome to Jessic Biking. Today we're at a different site. It's kind of like Ocean City, Maryland, but Fallout 4 style. And we're on the desert island, which is part of the VR workshop. And we kind of took a long time building this due to the fact that it was so expensive. Also, too, today we have a special guest from the DC Wasteland, Mr.Gob. Mr.Gob, welcome to Sea City.
Well, thank you, Mr. Jessic. I work at Moriarty's and then Megaton, but I've been with him for quite some time, and it's getting to the point where he's getting very nasty on me every day. So I told him I was going to take a vacation and come out to Sea City. And of course I know I won't have a job when I get back, but maybe I can find a job here.
That would be great, Mr. Gob. Are you just here on vacation enjoying the scene?
Yeah, that's right, Mr. Jessic. I'm here trying to get my mind cleared up so I can get away from Moriarty's nastiness.
Oh, that's great. Well, you have a good time and enjoy yourself, and we'll probably catch up with you later.
Thank you very much, sir, Mr. Jessic. I'm sure going to try to enjoy myself.
Okay, bye now. Well, here we go. I've done some extensive work on this, changing things around quite a bit. We divide this up in two sections. Over there is Somerset's Plaza, which is part of the Sea City Boardwalk. Here we have a first-class soccer tournament. And for the people who are watching the soccer game, we have a little snack stand. So, got a few buildings here that we can house people who come and need to stay, and basically a lot of the stuff here are actual vendors and sites in Ocean City itself. And of course, there's a couple of them up there that I adapted to using the Fallout 4 stuff. Here's the Waffle House. Popcorn stand, there's popcorn. And here is Sunglass City. And of course, I gotta have my Slocum Joe's coffee shop. There's no ifs, ands, and buts about that. And it's fully well equipped. And I had to do a lot of scrapping because I was always constantly changing stuff and running out of build space. Okay, here is the Candy Kitchen. Restrooms. Here is the I think it's Funcade. I got an arcade set up in here, about 3 machines. And then here's an adaptation from, they have an actual Ocean City they have called Whack-A-Mole. Well, I changed it to Whack-A-Commie to fit the game stuff that's here. And then here coming up is 2 actual places in Ocean City, Maryland that I call Boog's Barbecue. And the reason I'll put that in particular is because my son's nickname is Boog. Boogabear. Because when he was a little baby, he cooed like a little bear cub. And there's Boog's Barbecue. And here is Thrasher Fries, complete with coffee and video arcade. And there's my sidekick, Piper. She's with me all the time. And here's the pier, which I put a small merry-go-round for the kids and the adults. And out here is, of course, Jules Smith will know this. I gotta have my fishing stuff. There's 4 fishing poles. I've been having a problem trying to keep fishing poles in here because they seem like what she says, they sink through the world. I've lost about 6 of them. I always have to go to Myra to buy more fishing poles. And then out here is the lake. And well, people that can swim up here. There's a lifeguard station. And here's another mobile stand that's got stuff in it. Picnic tables. I tried to copy Ocean City as much as I could because that is, for me personally, my favorite vacation spot. And there's the portable toilets. And of course, next spot is Somerset Plaza. I'm not quite done with this yet. I might put a basketball court in. Here is, when we come into Ocean City, this is my favorite pizza place. We get this pizza even before we get to our cottage. It's Marco Polo's Pizza. And I tried to replicate it as close as I could. Shamefully, the place actually is no longer in business. It's a shame because they had great deep dish pizza. There's Grotto's Pizza, which is for real. Fractured Prune. Table sitting outside. There's popcorn. Hot dogs, Nathan hot dogs. Budge House. And then of course here's an adaptation from Fallout 4. The shooting gallery. I put 2 of them in there. And then also too, you can rent guns and buy ammo and whatever. On down here is the plaza itself. More restrooms. Now this was kind of difficult to do. This took me some time. Here's the outlook. Soda machine. This is a place for information and rentals. Complete with living room, coffee, fireplace, bathroom, and bed. This is one of the cheaper lofts. Oh, come on, don't shut me in! Come on, Piper, move. And here's a soda place. And here's the main check-in, the front desk, with a exclusive upstairs balcony, refrigerator, stove, coffee, dining room, bedroom, a little living room. It's small, but you know, you're going to be mostly outside looking around. Here's the bathroom. So about 3 or 4 rooms. And here we go to the second overlook. And here's a coffee house, which is still being built. And then of course here is some more food vendors. Actual. There's dumpsters, dairy, Alaska burgers, and of course Caruso's Pizza. And then it has to go upstairs. We have another outlook that you can sit and eat and enjoy yourself. Well, basically that's it. We're gonna check back later. It's not quite opened up yet, so we're going to finish remodeling. This will be the next video, and we hope you have enjoyed Sea City. Until next time, this is Michael from Jesse Packing, and of course if we bump into Gob from DC area. Until then, see you later.